To summarize, when dealing with international business, there are a lot of hoops to jump through, and they can directly affect your business. Expanding businesses overseas, though, can help to reach more customers, boost profits, and help to lower margins. It is important to remember different laws and regulations regarding your business when entering a new international workplace. It's also important to remember that accounting is one of the most important pieces of an international business and should be handled with care. Being able to support cultural and individual diversity in the workplace as well is a big and important piece when dealing with international business. If cultural or individual diversity isn't dealt with correctly in the workplace, it can lead to an unhealthy workplace environment and can lead to the loss of a business. So in final, it is very important when dealing with international business to focus on communication and be ready to jump through all kinds of hoops in order to make your business thrive. Thank you.